In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automate support with Slack and Jira Service Management. If you're looking for a way to streamline your support tasks and improve efficiency with your team, this guide is perfect for you. Let's get started. First, open Slack and sign into your workspace. It's essential to make sure you're in the correct workspace where you want to set up this integration. If you manage multiple workspaces, this is a step you don't want to skip. Once you're in, you'll notice the familiar layout of your channels and direct messages on the left side. Now move your attention to the left sidebar and look for the Apps section. Clicking on Apps takes you to a new world within Slack where you can integrate various applications to enhance your work environment. When you click Apps, you'll be prompted with a search bar at the top. In the search bar, type Jira Cloud. Slack will quickly pull up the relevant apps. Look for Jira Cloud and select it. You might see similar options, so ensure that you're selecting the correct one that offers cloud integration. After you've clicked on Jira Cloud, you will need to add it to your Slack workspace. This is rather straightforward. Just click the button that says Add to Slack. Slack might request you to follow a series of prompts to complete the installation process. It's crucial to follow these prompts carefully to ensure the integration is set up correctly. Now comes the part where your Jira Service Management account is linked to Slack. You'll need to sign in to your Atlassian account. If you're already signed in on your browser, it might automatically detect your credentials. If not, enter your Atlassian account information when prompted. After you've signed in, you will be asked to authorize the connection between Slack and your Atlassian account. What's happening here is that you're allowing Jira Cloud and Slack to share information. This connection is what allows you to automate tasks between these platforms, so it's an important step not to overlook. Once you authorize the connection, you're all set. Congratulations, you've successfully linked Slack with Jira Service Management. With this integration, you can now automate your support workflow, making it easier for your team to track issues and collaborate in real time without having to shuffle between multiple platforms. It's a fantastic way to improve efficiency and keep everyone on the same page. And that wraps up our tutorial for today. We hope you found this guide helpful and you're ready to enhance your productivity by integrating Slack with Jira Service Management. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on making the most out of your tools. Thanks for watching and see you next time.